What is up, everybody? Coming to you live from Los Angeles. I hope you're all doing good today. And today, being April the 21st, 2021, I wanted to share you guys my thoughts and predictions as to where Bitcoin is going to be going from here. Because obviously, right now, since the last 7 days, we're at a low of $54,000. I think it was 2 or 3 days ago where it did hit 55,000 dollars, and then it went up to 57, and then it came back down to 56 and 55, and it held. And today it looks like it slumped back down to $54,000. So people are wondering, is this, you know, the end of the Bitcoin bull market, or is there more to come? I think for now it's gonna hold the price, but I would say, like, in the coming months, I think there's going to be a pump, and then eventually there's gonna be a major price correction, because I mean, a price correction is honestly due. I thought a price correction was due whenever it hit $28,000, and anytime it goes up a substantial amount, there's always a correction that's due, and we haven't really had it yet. So where is it gonna go from here? That's what everybody's wondering. My take on it, uh, even though I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, so just sharing my thoughts and opinions here. I would say that BTC is gonna probably drop to 49,000, 48,000, even 47,000 even, and then it'll come back up to about 51 to 52, and then it'll come back to 54, 56, and I think we'll eventually see Bitcoin at 64 to $68,000 um by next month, mid May. So I'm saying pretty much, from today being April the 21st, 2021, I think today being April 21, I'm saying that we will see Bitcoin go from 54,000, where it is right now, to about 49, 48, or 47,000, maybe even 46,000, and then it'll pump back up to 51 or 50,000, and then it'll go 54, and then I think it'll go 59, and then 64 and 68,000. I think this is gonna be the new all-time high, and I think that'll happen by next month, during mid-May. So that's kind of how I see Bitcoin playing out right now. I mean, I've always made videos saying that Bitcoin is, gonna go down in price by a lot, but that's next year. I'm not even, talking about that in the next few weeks or the next upcoming months. As a matter of fact, in the next upcoming months, I think we're gonna be seeing Bitcoin going up in price. And obviously, the Coinbase stock going live was obviously something that was holding the price of Bitcoin up as well. But regardless of that, I think there's still a lot of room for Bitcoin to go up in price and hold its price, actually. But will there be a correction? I believe so, and that's gonna be next year. So I mean, I'm not even thinking about that right now. But for now, I feel like there's gonna be a little bit of a drawback in the market with all the cryptos. And you guys know that Bitcoin is obviously the leader, and whatever Bitcoin does, the rest follow for the most part, right? So yeah, I think it'll definitely go down in price. I mean, it's already starting to do so, even though it is showing resistance. But I think it'll touch 48, 47,000 again. I'm saying, these are just my thoughts and opinions, but I would definitely like to know what you guys think about it too. But I think, personally, I think 49, 48, 47 from where it is right now, 54, and then it'll jump right back up to 49 and 50 and 51, and then 55, 56, 57, and then from there on it'll rally up to 64, 65, and then I think 68,000, 69,000 is the next price target it's going to be sitting at. Because right now it's just literally alternating from 54,000 to 56, and usually when it alternates it goes back down, and the only times it goes up is when there's a rally that's pushing the price up. But there isn't one happening right now. So I think we're in for a small drawback in the market. So we'll see what happens, especially this weekend. I think this weekend is going to play a critical role because this weekend will also tell us what the price will be by the end of the month. So Sundays are usually, or Saturdays, I would say Saturday evenings, Sunday mornings is usually whenever there's a big sell off, and then Monday morning is usually when there's a little bit of a price pump. So we'll see what happens. The timing of, whether it's the weekend or whether it's a weekday is also very important too. So, but again, for the short term, I got Bitcoin going down in price to 49, 47, 48, maybe even 46. It might touch 45, but I feel like if it touches 45, it'll jump right back up to 47, 48. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, these are just my thoughts and opinions. I want to know what you guys are thinking as to, where Bitcoin is going to go from here. And I've made videos saying that next year, like mid next year, we're going to be seeing a major price correction. So for those of you that have missed out on buying Bitcoin at a low price, I would say put in your buy order at 15K, 16K, 17K, and it'll eventually go through. If not next year, I would say even in 2023, because let me say something to you guys. I was one of those guys that said that Bitcoin will never go back down to $5,000. Bitcoin will never go back down to $6,000. We'll never see $7,000 Bitcoin. And this is when Bitcoin was rallying in the summer of 20, or no, not in the summer of 2017, the uh in the thing in the end of the year of 2017. That's when, Bitcoin hit its 19,000 all-time high, and then we got to wait 4 years to see Bitcoin now at $54,000. But I mean, when it did hit $19,000 in 2017, I was like, hey, that, I mean, this is it. It's gonna just go up. This is the new, currency that's gonna be used worldwide. And while I was probably right during that time, I was never expecting for Bitcoin to go back all the way down to $3,300. So $3,300, I was never expecting, and nobody else was too. And there were many, many people just like myself that were saying Bitcoin will never hit 5,000, Bitcoin will never hit 6,000, Bitcoin will never hit 7,000 again. And this was when Bitcoin was at 12 to 13,000, early 2018, end of 2017. So, and we got to see it go back all the way down to 3,500. And now, there's a lot of talk saying this is all based on hype and that it's due for a price correction. And I think I can agree with that for the most part. But the main question is how low will it go? And again, the short term, and when I say short term, I mean the next few weeks, I feel like we'll touch 46, 47, 45 even. Maybe on some exchanges 44, but it's going to pump right back up. It'll hit 47, 48. It might hold there for a while, and then we'll see it come back up gradually to 51, 52, 53. And then it'll go to 58 again, and then 59, and then we'll hit a new all-time high at 64 and $68,000. So those are just how I'm looking at it. But I mean, I would obviously like to know what your guys' take on it as well. And this is a very volatile market, and there's a lot of people that want to make money, while at the same time there's a lot of people that are losing money. So it's very, very important for everyone to be on the safe side for the most part. And I say, you know prioritize safety, because it's an asset that you can carry with your life, whether it's driving a car, whether it's investing, whether it's playing a sport. You don't want to get hurt, right? There's just so many factors when we talk about the word safety that can be implemented, especially in the cryptocurrency and investing game, because the first thing you guys want to ensure is that your investment is safe, meaning it's not going to go down substantially, and that it's going to go up a, an expected amount in the future, right? That's what we invest for. But if you guys are just going out and, putting money on things that isn't really reliable, then, you guys need to be careful, because there's a lot of scammers out there. So, but to come back to the Bitcoin topic, I feel like, um, again, next year, 2 years from now, I think Bitcoin will touch 56, what am I saying? Will touch 15 or 16,000, 17,000 even. But for now, I feel like we're going to see a new all-time high in May. So, that's pretty much my take on it. And I think the price will go down a little bit more, and then we'll see an all-time high of about, $65,000 in mid-May. So, and just to quickly mention as to why I think Bitcoin will see a price amount of 15,000, 16,000, 17,000. Let me quickly just say, there's a lot more people that are joining the cryptocurrency mining space, and there's a lot more cryptocurrency hardware that's being produced that's much quicker than the 2x rate, which is pretty much the halving that happened last year. And we saw Bitcoin go from 6,000, 7,000 to about 9,000, $10,000. And then, something happened in the world where everything shut down. And then we saw bigger companies like PayPal and Square coming out and mentioning, hey, we're going to buy Bitcoin, and we're going to make it an investment, and we're going to allow our customers to buy Bitcoin. And that rallied the price all the way up to 13,000, 14,000, 15,000. And then Gray, what is it? What's the face? Grayscale came and said, they're going to make an investment, and then that pushed the price up to about 23, 24,000, seeing a new all-time high. And then ever since then, the price has just gone up to where it is right now, to 54, 55,000. So, I mean, are we going to see a flash crash to about 16, 17,000? I definitely think so. And there's a lot of people that are saying that it won't, but I mean, hey guys, I'm calling it right now, and there's not many that are saying that we'll see 15, 16, 17,000 dollar Bitcoin, but here I am saying it today, April 21st, 2021, that hey, if you go out and put $18,000 on a buy order to get Bitcoin, I'm saying that your order will be filled, in my opinion, of course. And obviously not a lot of people can see that, but and when I say 15, 16, 17,000, I'm saying this in the case of a crash, because if Bitcoin does hit 15, 16, 17,000, there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be jumping in just to get it, right? And be a person that would have one full Bitcoin. So people have to be ready for that. Not many are going to be expecting it, but again, I'm calling it right now. I've said it in my previous videos. I've gone more in depth about why we'll see that price again, but for now, this video, I just wanted to go ahead and focus on where it's going to be going in the next few weeks. And I think we'll see it go down a bit from where it is right now to about 47, 48,000, 46 maybe. And then it'll, go back up to where it is right now, eventually to 54. And then I think we'll see it get pushed all the way over to 62, back to where it was, to 62 at its all-time high. And then go up to 65, 67, potentially 68, nearly even 70,000 at its new all-time high by the end of next month. And that's just my thoughts and opinions, guys. So I would love to know what you guys are thinking, as to where you guys think Bitcoin is going to be going in the next few weeks. I know there's a lot of hype, and there's a lot of news that's changing the prices every single day, and that's affecting it. But again, guys, you want to be on the safe side with everything you do. And I'm saying that again, Bitcoin will go down a little bit to about 47, 48,000, 46,000 even, and then it'll come back up to about 51, 52, and then 54, 55, and then 58, and then eventually it'll go back to its all-time high at, what was it, 61, 62,000, and then we'll see a new all-time high of 68 or 69,000 by the end of next month. So let me know if you guys think that that would happen, and if not, let me know as to what you guys think will happen. And with that said, guys, I'm gonna deuce out. Take care of yourselves out there, and have a good night. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.